This is Dr. Sheila Tikku speaking about class second year elements of first transition series and compounds of vanadium. Vanadium is widely distributed in nature, but its concentration in deposits is very poor, and hence its extraction is not very economical. Thus, most important ores are partenitic, just as sulfide ore, vanadite, and carnotite. The reaction of vanadium in pure state is very difficult. It can be only treated in the form of complex structures. The vanadium ore, generally partenate, roasted in air and then treated with some compound, makes other compounds. The reduction is at 600 degrees centigrade and it is done by Beard and Crookes process. Compounds of vanadium. The compounds of vanadium with its second oxidation state. They are vanadium oxide, which is prepared by the reaction of reducing V2O5 plus hydrogen at 2000 degrees centigrade gives vanadium oxide. It is a blackish solid with metallic luster. Then vanadium 2 chloride. It is obtained by reducing vanadium tetrachloride vapors with hydrogen as red hot. Vanadium sulfate. It is prepared by the electrolytic reduction of vanadium pentaoxide with sulfuric acids. Then compounds of vanadium 3. Vanadium trichloride is prepared by the reaction of vanadium tetrachloride with hydrogen. Then we have vanadium iodide. It is prepared by heating vanadium tetraiodide at 2000 degrees centigrade. Vanadium oxide. It is prepared by the dissociation of vanadium pentaoxide. Vanadium sulfate. Vanadium sulfate is obtained by the electrolytic reduction of vanadium pentaoxide in sulfuric acid. Then vanadium 3 complexes. Compounds of vanadium 3 forms a large number of complexes in which it combines with oxalate, cyanide, thiocyanide and water molecules. Compounds of vanadium 4. Plus 4 is the most stable oxidation state of vanadium. It forms a number of compounds in which oxidation state is plus 4. Vanadium 4 oxide VO2, V2O5 plus H2S gives VO2 plus H2O plus sulfate. Such type of complexes are prepared by dissolving them in alkali. Vanadium 4 halides. Vanadium tetrachloride VCl4 is prepared by the reaction of vanadium and chlorine at 180 degrees centigrade. It is hydrolyzed by water and hence fumes in moist air. Vanadium 4 oxychloride VOCl2 is obtained by hydrolysis of VCl4 plus water gives VOCl2. Vanadium oxosulfate. It is prepared by the reduction of solution of vanadium pentaoxide in sulfuric acid by sulfur dioxide. Complexes of vanadium 4. Although tetrahalides and fluorides form 1:1, 1:2 complexes, still vanadium forms complexes with acetyl acetone, bipyridine and halogen. Compounds of vanadium 5. Vanadium forms only a few complexes with vanadium 5. That is, the number 1 is V2O5, that is vanadium oxide, pentaoxide. This is formed by ammonium vanadium trioxide, which is heated with sulfuric acid and then it forms vanadium pentaoxide. It is an orange colored solid powder which melts about at 650 degrees centigrade. This colored compound is taken in as a dye. It is amphoteric in nature. Vanadium forms vanadium chloride when it reacts with hydrogen chloride and oxidation of chlorine to chloride. The vanadate VO43- is stable only in alkaline solutions. Vanadium halides. Vanadium pentahalides are formed when vanadium is heated with chloride, fluoride, iodide, mostly with fluoride. It forms a brown colored complex. Vanadium oxytrichloride, vanadium oxydichloride and oxytribromide, they are formed by the presence of chloride, and the complex is also formed when there is a presence of chloride and there is a presence of fluoride.